Welcome all. Welcome to this new video where we are going to discuss the job description related to material engineer. This is piping material engineer job and it is for Delhi location. Piping and pipeline experience is mandatory. This is a permanent role and the salary package is really good, 15 to 18 lakhs, and they are looking for 8+ years of experience. So major responsibilities will be to determine and develop the most suitable economically and working on technically complex piping material engineering design within proposals and detailed engineering. So the standards and procedure knowledge will be must. So let us look into detailed job description and what are the various requirements. This is a opportunity to work for one of the world's most admired licensor organization, and that is based on Delhi. They are leading. They are dealing in EPC, PMC, cryo, and ASU technologies. Okay, so you can understand which company we are talking about. This is Delhi based and their licensor organization. So mandatory requirements are BE BTech in mechanical, 8 to 12 year of experience in EPC oil and gas sector. Okay, so this is the basic qualification which they are looking for. Let us see what are the major responsibilities if somebody is selected. Then first one is preparing piping specification, pipe class, pipe wall thickness, including external and internal pressures. Okay, all has good knowledge of piping material selection. Then developing piping service class index in consultation with corrosion engineer and process engineer. So this is a very technical profile related to material engineers. And they must have good knowledge of ASME 31.3, 31.1 and all the ASTME API standards. Then all the procurement cycle they must be aware of. Okay, prepare RFQ for piping bulk items, valves, SP items, good knowledge of piping bulk Indian and international industry standards. Okay, then all technical deviations of piping material proposed by vendors. So this is basic requirement for any piping material engineer. So for 8 to 12 year experience with mechanical engineer, they can apply for this job. The link for this particular job is mentioned in the description box. You can go and apply there. So while we are looking for jobs and we are applying for the job, we need to prepare for the interviews also. You can look into the playlist section in oil and gas platform. This is a very good tool provided by the YouTube where we can look into or all the videos available on this platform in the form of playlists. So here also we have organized in a systematic manner. All the videos have been organized in the form of playlists. You can look into one single consolidated playlist where all the videos are available. Then topic wise playlists are also available. For example, column piping, okay, plot plan, design basis, all these topics have been covered. Then 2-minute funda series where fundamentals have been discussed in 2-minute short videos. Then codes and standards, all the codes have been discussed. ASME 16.47, 16.5, okay, API 600, 601, all these standards are available in detail. You can look into it and prepare for the interview. Then self-improvement topics are there where we have discussed how to write an email, how to write a covering letter. Okay, all those topics are available in this playlist. Then interview question series where all the questions have been listed along with the answers in the form of 10 question series. One video will contain 10 questions and you can get the answers and you can prepare for the interview. So along with searching the job, we need to prepare also for the piping interviews. So keep watching, stay tuned. So many other videos for piping related videos and job related videos are on the way. So see you in the next part.